Let's see what's inside this box from jolly old London. Oh, thanks for joining the club. We just packed your kit in East London Workshop, a stone's throw from the Olympic Stadium. Cool. Looks like there are 3 manuals: Introduction and Preparation, Mountain Bike, Fat Bike Specialty, and then an overall build phases manual. Sticker, find somewhere to put that. Bamboo Bicycle Club medium fat bike. This looks like the template for the jig. Oh yeah, there's the backdrop out. Let's see. The whole triangle, very cool. What else do we have? Obviously, some bamboo. Looks like the down tube. Let's see, a couple extras. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for the seat stays and chain stays. Looks like 1 extra for everything else. Ooh. Bamboo beer, pale ale made with bamboo. Let's see what kind it is. Bamboo beer, Brecon Brewing for Bamboo Bicycle Club. Very nice. Epoxy resin, eco resin. CLR epoxy, just a straight epoxy. All right, what's in the big box? Jig and frame fittings. Putty stick. Some CLF hardener. Burlap. Assume that's for wrapping my joints. Some extra bamboo for making cable stops and the like. Dropouts, along with fittings. Very cool. Head tube, and I actually ordered the wrong one. You can see that this one is not tapered. Bamboo Bicycle Club is sending me a new one that is tapered because that's what most fat bike forks, at least modern ones, are. Seat tube, you can tell by the slot. Just a standard 27-2. I'm not sure what that is. Maybe this is for sanding? It's just a plastic pipe. Bottom bracket, 100mm English threaded. Very interesting. And then you can see the jig is just made out of MDF and threaded rod. Looks like these are the different pieces. I'm guessing with the little hole, maybe that's the seat tube. Another one? No, maybe. No, these 2 are for the head tube. Like so. And then these guys, I think I'll have to do something interesting just because I've got 197mm hubs. I think these are the hubs. Looking forward very much to building this bamboo bike.